You want an audio system you can hear while touring at highway speeds, right? Well, meet the all-new audio kits for your Harley-Davidson motorcycle. Powered by our M5 amplifiers, these systems are designed to deliver that unrelenting performance. Purpose-built for select 1998 to 2013 models and 2014 and newer bikes. These kits are the next step in motorcycle performance. They're the loudest, clearest motorcycle audio systems that we've created, featuring simple plug-and-play installation and paired with freeway speed output, creating the best-in-class on-bike audio experience. So let's jump in and explore these all-new motorcycle audio kits. First, these kits have been designed and engineered to match and complement the factory fit and finish of your bike, so you know that they'll look as good as they sound, and the fit will be best in class. Since these systems are plug and play, everything is included to make for an easy installation, and all to ensure less time in the garage and more time out riding. Now, these audio kits were created specifically for the motorcycle environment, meaning the speakers, subwoofers, amplifier, and source unit were tuned and designed to overcome wind, road, and exhaust noise and give you that second-to-none audio experience on your bike. Utilizing our element-ready technologies, these kits are purpose-built for any weather you encounter and built to stand up to water, dirt, and UV rays, making sure all your audio components perform regardless of the conditions. So now that we've covered all the features that make these new motorcycle kits class-leading, let's jump into the individual components. The components included in these kits were engineered from the ground up to work specifically for motorcycle audio systems. This is the result of countless measurements taken while city and highway riding right here in Tempe, Arizona. Now, the TMS full-range speakers are custom tuned for the open-air environment. Their lightweight design results in high sensitivity with a custom-tuned frequency response, which means you can hear your music over wind and road noise. The M5 amplifier is designed for efficient high-power output. Our proprietary design conserves current consumption, which is important on your motorcycle, while our constant power technology helps to deliver dynamic power when it's needed. This amp is also IPX6 rated, so it's fully protected against any water intrusion. Now, if you're looking to add bass, our saddlebag subwoofer kit features a custom enclosure with seamless construction, and its seal design delivers the loudest bass impact possible, even at highway speeds. You got that right, bass you can actually hear. For 98 to 13 model years, our PMX source unit is a direct replacement media receiver that retains your factory handlebar control. It features an ultra-bright 3-inch color display with day-night modes, oversized buttons, and class-leading features like Bluetooth, USB playback, and a SiriusXM ready tuner. Again, these systems were created for select 1998 to 2013 models, as well as 2014 and newer bikes. Each kit was designed specifically for your model, so whether it's a Street Glide, Road King, CVO, Ultra, or Electra Glide, we got a kit that fits. So jump onto our website at rockfordfosgate.com and explore what systems we have for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at 1-800-669-9899.